In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the DPI export in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for print or just want to maintain the high quality of your images, adjusting the DPI or dots per inch is a crucial step. This process ensures your exported slides are crisp and clear. So, let's dive into it. To start, go ahead and click on the Windows icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up your main menu where you can find and launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll need to either open an existing presentation or create a new one. Take this opportunity to add any photos, tables, or other content you want to include, as this will be important for the export process. Next, you'll want to navigate to the File menu at the top left side of your screen. From there, look for the Save As option. This menu is where you'll determine the format and parameters of your file export. It's pretty straightforward, but there's an important step in ensuring we adjust the DPI settings just right. Once you've entered the Save As menu, you should double-click on the image format you want to save your slides as. A common choice is JPEG, but you can choose whichever format best suits your needs. Remember, different formats might have different quality outputs, so choose wisely depending on how you'll use the images later on. After selecting the format, you'll be prompted to choose a save location and name your file. It's best to select a location you frequently use so that you can easily access your exported images later. Before you get to the final saving step, there's a crucial adjustment to make. Look for the Tools option, sometimes labeled as Options in older versions, before clicking on the Save button. Clicking here will allow you to access the Compress Pictures dialog box. This is where we can modify the DPI settings. Within this dialog box, select a high-resolution option. The right choice depends on the purpose of your export. For printing, go for the highest DPI available to ensure top-notch quality. Now you're ready for the final step. Go ahead and click Save, and your slide will be exported at the higher resolution you've just set. This process might take a little longer than usual, especially if you've chosen a high DPI, but it ensures your images maintain their quality. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the DPI export setting in PowerPoint, ensuring your images are sharp and clear, whether for print or digital use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in creating spectacular presentations.